students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. So welcome to our online class at home. Let's start our class with etiquettes and GK questions. So in this week we will learn some safety rules and good habits. So let's start with safety rules. So our first safety rule is pay attention while cross the road. Always pay attention when cross the road. Now next one. Do not run on the road. We don't run on the road. This is our safety rules. These two are our safety rules. Now we will see a good habit. Be polite with everyone. We have to always be polite with everyone. We always be polite because it is a good habit. So these are our etiquette of the week and I hope you all will follow these etiquettes. Now we will learn some GK questions. So my first question is, which animal is known as the ship of desert? Which animal is known as the ship of desert? Yes, that is camel. Camel is known as the ship of desert. Camel is known as the ship of desert. Now next question is, how many days are there in a year? How many days are there in a year? So there are 365 days in a year. There are 365 days in a year. So these are our GK questions. Now it's time to our GK's classwork. So open your notebook. Now write the date and classwork. Now note down the first question. So first question is which is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Now write the answer. Now write the answer, lotus. Lotus. Now write the next question. Next question is, where is the Dudhwa National Park? Next question is, where is the Dudhwa National Park? Now write the answer. Lakhimpur Kheri. Write the answer. Lakhimpur Kheri. So this is our GK's classwork. Now we move to our main topic. Now I will show you a video. Let's see a video. So kids, we have seen the story of Drippy the rainbow. Yes, this is Drippy the rainbow. Firstly, she floats in the ocean. After some times, she feels hot and she flew up in the sky. And then he made other drops, and the drops joined her, and they make a cloud. And then the cloud bounce, means the cloud feels very heavy. Then they again, Drippy and his friends jump off the cloud, and then he come back down and floats in the water. Firstly, when she feel very hot, then she flew up the sky. Then her friends join her, and then the clouds bounce. Then Drippy and his friend jump off the cloud, and then he come back to the down, and again they floats in the river. When again they feel hot in the river, then they flew up on the cloud, and then again they joined and come back to the down, and they float in the river. So we have seen in this story the water cycle, round, around, around and around, means firstly Drippy flew to the sky, then come back to the down, again she fly and come back to the down. So this is a water cycle, we called it water cycle. And do you know that our earth has a limited amount of water, and that water keeps going around and around and around, and that we call it the water cycle. We call it the water cycle. And do you know this water cycle has 4 parts? Yes, that 4 parts we learn in next class. So today what we have learned? Today we have learned that our earth has a limited amount of water, and that water keeps going around and around and around and around, and we call it the water cycle. Our water comes from around and around and around, that is a circle. And the part water cycle we will learn in next class. So now it's time to our classwork. So open your notebook, science notebook, note down the date and write classwork. Now write the sources of water. Today's our title is sources of water. Now write the first source of water, that is river. Write river. Now next write lake. Lake. Now write the next ocean. Ocean. Good. Now write the next one well. Well. Good. So these are sources of water, from where we get water. Now note down the homework. Your homework is write the name of food sources. In homework you will write the name of food sources. So kids, now we will meet in next class. So keep learning and stay safe.